Okay, I've been hearing noises, like really loud noises. I don't know how to explain them. They sound like they're coming from the woods. Just weird, obnoxious noises that keep coming out of nowhere. Nobody knows what the sound is. I don't. He doesn't. Nobody can figure out what that noise is. Just a loud blaring like siren or something. I don't know, dude. Wait. That's the noise. It's a siren. Bro, that's creepy. What is that noise? Why do you think it's funny, bro? We've been hearing these noises for the past like 2 weeks. Bro, I don't know. It sounds like a siren, that's all I know. It's coming from the woods. Jesus. I'll figure out what that sound is eventually. Well, I'm gonna see you guys later, I guess. Bye.